Hi, I'm Naomi with the Naomi Butler Show, and this is a weird angle, so you may not see all of my head here, but today I'm going to show you how I use Sharpie paint pens to kind of code some things. And I've had this makeup, I've had to get organic makeup 3 years ago because of the cancer, and I noticed like these two, one is foundation, one is finish, and they look the same. So this was the blush and this was the brow, and then I have 3 brushes that look the same, so I only use the blush brush for blush, and then I have a finish and a foundation brush. And so 3 years ago, I marked them with some white paint pens. You can see there, it's kind of faded away. So I'm going to show you something because I had 2 Sharpie Paint Peinture white pens. One, you can hear the little ball in there that shakes the paint up. And this one, I tried everything trying to get the paint to come out, and it wouldn't come out. So I guess they dry up after a while. So you may have a paint pen that hasn't started yet, and you can't see it on this white, but you have to really mash down on the nub. It has a little nub, and so you push that down to get the paint started, and then it gets started. And I know you can't see it there. Let me just mark on my hand. You see there, it paints, and that will come off. So what I'm gonna do, even though you can see found for foundation, I'm gonna go over these again today and make them where I can see them better, and that will dry. And of course, these don't last forever. You see the O-U-N-D? And I'm having to do it every 3 years, but that's okay. I learned one paint pen may not last forever. They may dry out, and I have all colors of paint pens, and this one was blush, and you can hardly see it, so I'm going to put blush on this one again. I let it dry. I'm going to just set these aside and let them dry. And this was mascara, which is really barely able to be seen. So paint pens are one thing that you can use to mark different things and name them, and it works. I was just wanting to show you that. I'll finish all these up, and the blush, you can barely see it, it's coming off really good. And I'll finish all these up, but this is just one way to use paint pens to make life easier and be able to see things easier. And today I have on one of my painted shirts that I'd put bright red, bright orange, and I found these red earrings at a thrift store, and you'll see my fashion videos also on my YouTube channel where I show you how to buy things from thrift stores and consignment stores. So if you have, if you want to watch those, they're also fun too. But I just thought, hey, it's getting close to Christmas. I'll match these with the red in here, and there you go. So paint pens, using to mark things, great way to do that. Or you could even just take white gesso paint with a brush, but this is so much easier. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Naomi Butler Show. And the next video that's coming up for the art videos, I'm gonna be using these gloves. I'm gonna be using this E6000 glue, and I'm going to fix a hole in a canvas. So that's gonna be my next art video. I had an accident and got a hole in, or tear in a canvas, so you'll see that one on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.